Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Big Russ for Road Tripping RC, and today's kind of a what's on the bench, some Christmas ideas if you've got Amazon Prime, kind of a thing, those last minute things. Um, Also to show you what's new for the channel. So that being said, in front of me, kind of off camera here, is my TRX4. Below it is my SCX10. And yeah, we all know what this is. It's an SCX10-2 transmission with no motor on it. My local shop just started carrying the Fusion Pros and the Fusion SE from Hobby Wing. So here after Christmas, the SCX10 is getting a Fusion Pro. As you can see, it is still very much a roller. But that's going to change. I told you, I got that coming. The Fusion Pro coming. What I'm excited about is already here. I partnered up with uh, Jay with JL Custom RC down at Dr. Dan's in Titusville, Florida, earlier this year. And what took so long with this was the PowerShift Technologies or PowerShift LED light kit. Okay. This truck has a full LED kit that you cannot see from the outside of the body. It shines through the factory plastics and decals. It has a nice look to it. But I could very easily come in and remove some of these decals, and these lights would shine even brighter. So without further ado, this is my custom painted Sumo L by JL Custom RC. Jay's a great dude. We had a few like going back and forths with the paint job when I purchased the body. Notice it is not drilled. It has been cut to fit my SCX10-2. I'm putting a magnet mount on it because, let's face it, this thing is fucking rad. Alright. So, I'm gonna hook it up to my Traxxas, even though this is not the truck it's going on. Okay? Just remember that. This is not the truck it's going on. Turn that off. Power on. So, as you can see, the factory lights, the decals. Okay. We got the little marker lights on the side, the tail lights. I mean, wonderful kit. I mean, really. PowerShift makes all kinds of light kits for Proline bodies. So if you have a Proline body, check them out. I want to say this kit was like $30. Okay. For a custom fit light kit, that's cheap. Okay. Mind you, they are body specific. It's not a universal kit. Okay. The man makes them himself. They're all made to order. Now, going into the Christmas list, birthday list, whatever, the Amazon specials. What is this? This is like one of those $10, $15 LED kits. Okay. This one has the trim ring installed, and I've already mounted the mounting brackets to them just to make them a little easier for me to hold, to show you. This one does not. You see the difference here? Okay. If you do not have a precision screwdriver kit, trying to install this is going to be near impossible. Okay. Again, these were 10 bucks, 10, 15 bucks. If you have Amazon Prime, you can get them in time for Christmas. Okay. That's how tiny the screw is. Let's see here. See if I can get a good shot of this. Okay, that's a nickel, right? We can all agree. It's a 5-cent piece. All right, they give you an idea how small these things are. They're a nightmare to work with. All right, but again, 10, 15 bucks. I'll put the link in the description. I like them. They are obscenely bright. I'm going to turn that back off. Yeah. Okay. So, as you can see the glow difference. This one has the ring on it that I still have to finish fitting properly. This one does not. Okay. On this little circuit board is a switch. Okay. So I dimmed them down a little. There they go, strobe. Oh, it would help if I had them plugged in correctly. Yeah, yeah. Just plug them in the right way the first time, right? So, one, we got a little, like, strobe action. Okay. Off. One. I mean, I'm gonna figure out how to work them from my radio, so I don't have to figure that out. I don't know if they're gonna go on the TRX4 or if they're gonna go on the SCX10 just yet. And that leads me to my last one. Okay, if I can find the plug. Now, this plug, if you can see that little lip, only fits in the 7th slot of my R7FG. Okay, I'm sure if you were patient enough, you could file it down, smooth it out so it fits anywhere. But this is for, and I still have to do wire management, okay? So don't come at me about my wires. Okay? They're all over the place. I still have to clean it up. I just installed this for my RGB rock lights. Okay? So it starts off white, ambery yellow, blue, red. I know it's kind of hard to see. Let me. Okay. And inside this piece of heat shrink on the wiring, there is a switch. So white, the amber or the softer white, blue, red, purple, which I don't hate, actually. I think the purple looks pretty nice. We got the police lights, okay? So we got a fade. If you can see it, it's just fading. It's neat. And then we got white strobe, disco party, off. So, yeah. And if you notice, these are the Poison Spider, Rock Spider, whatever brand wheels off of AliExpress with no name tires. I'm actually pretty happy with these wheels and tires in terms of performance. I think I spent 20-30 bucks and they work out pretty well. The tires, I've ran on the rocks and the sand at the beach. I've ran them in the dirt and the grass at my buddy's place. They grip pretty well. Do they compare to my canyon trails on RC line wheels? God, no. They're also a smaller wheel and tire, or a smaller tire. Yeah, like I love this wheel. It looks great. I've contemplated running it on this body, but these are massive tires, okay? Absolutely massive. Okay, so these are the BF Goodrich crawler TAs on my SCX 10. Okay, wrapped in the axial slot mags. Okay, and they're actually a little smaller than those. Compared to the no names, they're a little larger. Yahtzee. Yeah. So I've been happy with them. I've not had much time running them, probably an hour. I will, hopefully once the weather starts to be in my favor on my days off. Like today's been really windy and below 50. And that just sucks being out at the beach. I mean, it really does. So hopefully, like, I can get a day where it's 50-ish but low wind and I can get out there and get some recording done. Most of my days off I've been helping my buddy renovate a house he owns, trying to get it ready to rent out. And I work second shift now, so like my mornings are when I'm asleep. So I'm trying to adjust everything so I can get it back into making videos for you guys, because I really do enjoy making them. That being said, I hope everybody has a great Christmas, great holiday season, whatever you prescribe to. And I hope to catch you guys before the new year with some work on my Defender. I've got stuff in the car, I've got stuff out for delivery, I've got stuff that's supposedly been delivered. I haven't checked my mailbox yet. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Keep the sticky side down, keep them sideways, whatever you do, enjoy the hobby.